Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today I'll show you how to use mask in Adobe Premiere Pro 2026. First, here I created a project, and now I'm gonna import a folder. And now let's say that I imported here this file. I'm gonna drag it like this, then drop it right here. And now I wanna here blur the search in my video. So here I have this search results. I wanna blur it. Simply, I will click on the mask icon just right here. First, I will go and clip the part that I want to add the mask to. I'm gonna click like this. So I'm just gonna clip it like this. Then I will go and click on this mask icon, object mask tool. I'm gonna click on it. Then I will get to the part that I want to add the mask to. Then I'm gonna select it like so. Gonna select it like so, just like this. Then I'm gonna go and click on effects. Then I'm gonna go and type here blur. Then I will add the camera blur to my mask just like this, and here we go. So this is how we can actually use the mask layer inside the Adobe Premiere Pro 2026. You can even right click on it, then go and click on learn more and know more and more options regarding this tool. So simply click on learn more, and it will redirect you to this page. You can know more and more about the object masking tool. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful and useful, please consider like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.